It only costs $350 a month to join RE/MAX 24/7. We have different compensation plans, and we can talk in more detail, when we meet. But for the $350, you get access to the #1 network in real estate, which is RE/MAX, and you get access to personal coaching, you get leads, you get all the technologies that you need. So it's an excellent deal. We have a very simple compensation plan. There are really only two different commission splits available to agents, and we can go as high as 95% to the agent. So you get maximum commission and also maximum freedom to run your business. The average agent at RE/MAX 24/7 sold 33 transactions last year, and they earned $268,000 in average. There are really three things you get for the money you invest in our brokerage. First of all, you get access to the #1 network in real estate, to RE/MAX, to all its technology, to all its agents. You get exceptional marketing support from people that are marketing every day, that implement marketing services. And you get access to a personal coach. So you will work with me one-on-one, and I can help you get to the next level.